Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rishika and today I'm shooting at 1:15 am. Look at me working hard. So today I decided to do an outfit challenge video wherein I put together a look not using my clothes. Basically, I have to put together an outfit using my family's clothes. Let's see how it goes. So first of all, for that I have to look into my mom's cupboard. And I can assure you guys, I have nothing on my mind. I cannot think of a single thing which would fit me because I'm very skinny. But I think I can put together an oversized look. So let's dig into my mom's cupboard. Okay, so far I cannot find anything.
2,000 years later.
So I found these two things, out of which I think this is a very basic hoodie, which I think anyone can style oversized hoodies. So I think I'm gonna rule that out. But this was interesting. I think this is very old. Okay, so this would be oversized for me. But I think these days vintage stuff is very in, and I think I can get that kind of vibe from this. Okay, so now that I've selected what I will wear on top, let's dig into my sister's cupboard and she's gonna kill me for that. Okay, so this is where my sister keeps her all nice clothes, so we're gonna dig in. Okay, so I found these pants and I think these will go well with that top because the print or the texture is kind of very similar to that top. Okay, so I almost forgot my dad's element. So for his part of clothing, I am gonna wear his socks and I'm gonna use my own shoes. Okay, I don't know why I look like this, but I promise I'll make it better. Okay, so to make this look better, I tucked in that top so that it kind of looks like a crop top, and the pants were a little loose. So to tighten them and to give my waist a defined look, because everything is just so oversized, I made a V shape with those blue strings. And yeah, it's just crazy how just a little difference in your outfit can make you look so put together. Okay, so I just love how this look turned out to be. Like, I really think these pants and these details made this whole look so better. And I literally saw so many Instagram models or like girls wearing pants which had details like this, and when I looked it up, they were like so expensive. Alright guys, that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it because I literally had so much fun shooting this video because I was literally not prepared with anything. And you guys know I just changed my uploading schedule. Now I upload long traditional YouTube videos on Saturday and some bonus videos throughout the week if I find time. And yeah, that is it. If you like this video, then please like, share, comment, subscribe, and also give me an outfit challenge in the comment section and I'll make sure I'll do it. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Also, it's 2:19 am.